Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're doing another Dollar Tree video. Y'all know that is one of my favorite stores, and I just love doing like budget-friendly stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 different hacks that I do to make your house smell good all the time. Everything in this video can be found at the Dollar Tree, but you can also use some of the things that you already have to do these hacks as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first hack that I want to share with you is making these candle melts. Dollar Tree does also already have candle melts, but if you want to like customize your scent, then go ahead and do this. Now at the Dollar Tree, I did run into these ice cube trays. I found some really cute ones that had like pineapples and seashells, and I should have got that because that would have been really cute. But I ended up going with this basic one with just like, you know, little mini ice cubes. What you want to grab definitely is some candles from the Dollar Tree. They have tons of different candles. I ended up going with this really nice, I think it was like lemon vanilla scent. Smelled amazing, and I paired it with just this vanilla candle. Now I don't really like this just plain vanilla candle that I picked up because it doesn't melt that well, so definitely swap that out, and I would get 2 of the brands of the yellow one that I have right here. And what you want to do is you want to melt these candles down. So I just boiled some water, and then I put like a pasta strainer on top of it, and I put the candles inside of that and put in like a pan lid over top so the steam would trap inside and melt the candles down as much as possible. I know this is a little ghetto setup, but hey, it worked. And this way you could like mix and match scents, and once it gets melted down, you can add in some essential oils. I highly recommend adding more so that way the smell could be stronger. And then you just pour the wax into the ice tray and to let it harden up. I just let it harden up on the counter. You can put it in the fridge if you want it to move a little bit faster, and go ahead and pour these into your little warmers. It just smells amazing. I stored the rest in like a mason jar, and you have tons of candle melts for only, I got 2 candles and an ice tray, so that's $3.75, and they smell amazing. The next thing I want to touch on are these scented plugins. Dollar Tree has the plug-in refills, and the scents that I saw were like lavender, and the other one was like some type of clean scent. They really smell really good. Both of those scents smell amazing. They have the actual plugins that go with it at Dollar Tree, but I wanted to see if I could use the ones that I have at home, which are the Glade. And you can pour them into the container and kind of mix it up. I even added some Fabuloso to it. They do separate, but I like it because once the plug-in gets through the oil, then it'll go through the Fabuloso and kind of like mix together, so it smells really great. I just replaced the Glade lid back onto the plug-in. My last hack is I am obsessed with Fabuloso. Like, it smells so good. I love Fabuloso so much. So anytime I go to the Dollar Tree, I rack up on the different scents that they had. I believe they had orange, lemon. I even got like this pine one, and I like to mix them together. And then I also spotted like some unstoppable little pellets, and what we're gonna do is we're going to make a concoction in our OCedarMop bucket. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up with some really hot water. Add in your pellets and your Fabuloso. I add in a little bit of bleach as well for some more like antibacterial type of properties. And once this mixed together and you mop your floors with this, y'all, this smells absolutely amazing. Those are my 3 quick and easy budget-friendly ways to keep your house smelling amazing. I really love all these hacks, and I hope you guys do too. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know of other videos you would like to see from me. Lastly, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.